You're listening to The Tony Kornheiser Show.
The old orange man will now convey your emails and your notes. It's time for Tony's mailbag. It's the closing of the show. The closing of the show, my friends. Let's toast him with our 3-hour-6. He's crashed another year away, and the show we love still stinks.
Biff Gaunt, Gaithersburg, Maryland, who writes, thanks for another year of the show. I've lost count of how many years it's been because I'm not Cindy Boren. It's funny. Good luck to you and the other bigs in 2025. Hopefully you'll have an opportunity to play the New Year's themed mailbag jingle. Yeah, it's lovely. It's absolutely lovely.
That was great,
Yeah.
Biff. And that's going to be there every New Year's.
Yeah, it's the old Lang Syne. That's what we do.